everyone, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Dish Delish Africa. Yes, so today we'll be showing you how to light and bake with your gas oven. Yes, so I already have a video on how to light your gas oven, so we will not be talking about the burners and all that, the other knobs. We'll not be talking about those knobs. We'll just concentrate on just these two knobs. That's the oven knobs and the grill knob. So these are the two things we are concentrating on the oven as a whole. Yes, so guys, so this is our oven knobs. Yes, these are oven knobs. Yes, so I'm going to open the oven now and just show you something. So I'll remove the rack. I'll show you how to use the rack later. But so I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Let me check the camera. Yes, so all you just do now is to go in. My matches is actually falling. Is to light your matches stick. Yes, so once your matches stick is light like this, you just throw in. There's a hole in the oven. You just throw your matches sticks there. So I'm opening it for you to see. Yes, let me show the camera for you to see. Yes, so that is it. So when you want to bake, make sure this cover is covering the fire. So now let's talk about temperature. So does it mean that when you don't have an oven thermometer you cannot bake, especially when you have an oven that does not have the temperature sign on it like mine? If you don't have an oven thermometer, you can still be able to bake very well and get perfect baked goods with your gas oven. So this is what you do. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see, yes, the oven knobs is facing here. Yes, so this part for me normally is where I normally turn my knobs to whenever I'm gauging for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So most recipes calls for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That is about 175 degrees Celsius. Yes, so I normally put my knobs here at this part where the knobs is. This is where I normally put it before I preheat my oven. So that's for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So when your recipe calls for 500, make sure to put it at this part at the middle because that's the highest setting. Yes, that's the highest setting. Make sure to put your knobs at this setting. Yes, that's 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So make sure your oven knobs is at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you want to use your oven after setting it at your preferred temperature, all you just have to do is to make sure to close your oven and preheat it. So normally I like to preheat my oven for about 10 minutes before I place in my baked goods into the oven. So the oven is still on. I'm just trying to illustrate to you how it works. So make sure to preheat your oven. For me, I preheat for like 10 minutes before I place in my baked goods. It's very, very important. So I'm going to turn off the oven. Yes, so I'm opening it again. So I'll talk about the grill. So for the grill, let me show you how it is. So I'm going to on it. I'm going to on the grill now. This is the grill knobs. So I'll on it now for you guys to see. Yes, so this is the grill. Can you see? It is an upside down broiling. Yes, so this is how the grill is. As you can see, this is it. So when you are using your grill, it's the same thing with the temperature. This at this point is the highest setting. So mostly for your proteins like fish, chicken, meat, you'll use your highest setting to grill them. So when you set your grill, when it's on, immediately it's on after putting in your baked goods, after putting in your meat, your proteins, what you do is to close it ajar. Make sure your oven is not open like this and it's also not closed like this. Make sure to leave it ajar. I don't know if you can see. So yes, like this, ajar. You can still see the fire. Yes, it should be ajar like this. you have with enough practice you'll be able to know how to do it. So make sure your door is open like this, ajar, because that's what helps for proper circulation. It helps the gas not to go off. It helps your grill not to go off. So make sure it is ajar, it is open ajar like this. It's very, very important. Please always remember that do not close it, because once you close it will go off and the whole place will be smelling gas. So make sure to open it ajar like this. Yes, so if you are grilling at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, all you just have to do is to turn your knobs just the way I showed you with the oven. You turn your knobs to this point and you are good to go. So between 330 degrees to 350 degrees, you turn your knobs to this part. Yes. So because I've used oven thermometer, I've been able to use my oven without the thermometer. So I already know where to gauge it to get the proper temperature for my baked goods. Yes, guys, so I'm going to turn it off and we'll proceed to the next stage. So guys, this is with the temperature. So now we are going to talk about your rack. So it's very important to place your rack properly in your oven when baking, so that you will not have an undercooked or overcooked baked goods or baked product. Yes, guys, so we are going to talk now more about the placing of your racks, because it's very, very important. You don't just place your rack anywhere and just dump your baked goods there, then you start using it. No, you have to place it properly so that it can have enough air circulation, then it can also bake very well. So I'm going to bring in my tray now. I will show you one thing. So let's look at something here. So we have about 4 spacing for the rack. So we have 1, yes, here 1, 2, 3, 4. The holes. So I'm counting the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have about 4 spacing. So when you are baking, to get a better baked goods, what you should do is make sure to always place your rack or your tray in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4 here. The third one. Make sure to place your rack. So I'm going to show you now. So make sure to place your rack in the middle, just like that. In the middle, it helps for proper air circulation. Like your baked goods would have enough air circulation, like everything will be properly well, and also enable your baked goods to bake very well. So make sure your tray is in the middle, or your rack is in the middle placement. Yes, it's here in the middle. So now in a case whereby you are baking a lot of things and you want to bake multiple, you want to have multiple baking, what you do is you place your tray, sorry, here in the second one, then you place your rack in the second one and the last one, just like that. So it helps for proper air circulation. So make sure to put it in. The reason I didn't put it in the first is because it's too close to the grill. Yes, so make sure to put it in the second and then the second and last. So it helps for proper air circulation. And also make sure that while you are baking, you are also checking it like within intervals. So maybe when you get to half of the time of baking, you go in and check, especially for the one at the bottom, it might cook faster than the one at the top. So you make sure you can just switch it or something. Make sure to check it when it's almost half of the baking time, so that you would have proper baking. Yes, so most times, because I don't have enough space, I just manage to bake gradually. So I just use the middle rack. I don't do multiple placing. I do only the middle rack and I bake multiple. So if it's 3 hours baking, I make sure I bake up to 3 hours. Yes, guys, so that is it. So it's the same with the grill. So for the grill normally is with one tray or one rack. So do not put it in the first rack, because it will be too direct on the fire. So make sure to put it in the second one, the second rack. Yes, put it in the second line to enable that it grills properly. Yes, guys, I hope this video has been helpful. I hope you've learned something. In case I didn't say anything or you didn't hear me say some things which has been a problem to you, kindly let me know in the comment section. If this video has been helpful to you too, let me know in the comment section. And also, if you have any other question, let me know in the comment section so that we can interact. I can also help you guys with whatever concerns you have. It's very important. Please, I really want you guys to learn how to bake with your oven, because I know a lot of people have such things in their homes, but they are not using it because they don't have an idea of how to use it. So that is it, guys. Yes, I hope I didn't miss anything. So that is it for today's video. So guys, please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, do not forget to hit the notification bell below so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Till we meet in our next video, please stay safe and bye.